Three little birds sat on my window. They told me I don't need to worry. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead and let your hair down. Step front and favorite jeans. I told you to get your dream. You go ahead and let your hair down.
Yay! What was your favorite Christmas present this year?
My dog.
You love her?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Ruby. Take a photo. Show the dog. That's on the couch.
Introduce us to Ruby.
Okay. This is Ruby. Everybody be quiet because she's sleeping. She's stuck on the couch sleeping. And I also got this. Look. See? It says, I ate your homework. And see? This says, I ate your homework. Eating homework.
Cool.
I'm not going to use you because you made my homework. Got this. That's really soft.
Who gave that to you?
My abuela. My mom and dad are really cool because they bought a puppy.
You. What's your favorite thing Santa brought you?
I
All of it? Mommy got this awesome video camera.
Daddy did.
Daddy got it for Mommy.
Yeah. What did I get again?
A rocket. Big eyes.
Oh,
What else did you get from Santa?
I don't know.
Any clothes?
That?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
No. Just for clothes? I wanted clothes.
Say Merry Christmas and goodbye.
Merry Christmas. Goodbye.